everybody, so today I am going to be working on setting up this fence. This is our new garden. If you checked out the last video, I'll put a link in the description below. There might be a tag somewhere up here. I used the walk behind tiller, or it's called our tractor, walk behind tractor, which is called the BCS. It was a BCS 479, 749, excuse me. And we tilled everything. First, I chisel plowed. I didn't get to record that, so I'm sorry. However, you did get to see that I tilled everything. I did chisel plow this whole field, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So, chisel plow this whole thing. It got a little bit compacted because of the rain. So, my neighbor was kind enough to share this little piece of land here. So, as you can see, the good thing about leaving it how it is right now is because it's really cold, so weeds won't come up. So I praise God for that. But so you can just see. So right now I'm just gonna be working on this part right here. Really easy stuff. So what I'm gonna be using is just a good old-fashioned staple gun, heavy-duty staple gun. I'm using this rib thing right here. This mesh is pretty strong. It's, I think, over like 200 pounds of pressure can be applied, and so yeah, I'm gonna get started. Yeah, so I think my neighbor just passed by. So basically, by God's grace, we're gonna be growing a lot of stuff. This is pretty easy to do if you're by yourself. You just gotta make sure you stretch out everything. It's a little bit easier. You know, this is the kind of longer piece. Just gonna put this in here like this. You good, guys. By God's grace, you guys will get to see this garden transform. From this into something beautiful. So now I'm just pulling this over. That's a lot of... I wanted to try to close this all today, but I don't know if I'll be able to. All right. This looks pretty stretched out enough. So there are a lot of briars here. There's a lot of thorns and briars and whatnot, so I'm trying to be careful not to prick myself. It's a lot of them over here. All right. And when you do this, you typically want to start from the bottom. You don't want to... Let me move this camera real quick. You don't want to start from the top. Start from the bottom and stretch from the bottom going up. And you look behind and you see, okay, is it stretched enough? Stretched enough? Is it good enough? So I'm just gonna move y'all. Easier with the ladder, so I'm not gonna lie. But that's okay. I just didn't want to take it out. That's the bottom line. I didn't want to take out the ladder. Move it up. Plus, I don't have a lot of space here. It's very close, so I kind of want to cut this back. But we'll see. I gotta get approval first, because this is a ministry I'm working for, so. Secure the border. So they say, secure the border. Okay. Okay, see. Away. And typically what I do, let me show you guys something. Typically what I do, right there. Perfect. All right, let's see if we can get this done. That would be great. Oh, man. That would be great. That would be... It's looking good. Now, you will need a, excuse me, you will need a ladder if you're kind of short, but if you have a height advantage, take advantage. Okay. So we can get this one more in there. Oh, oh man. See the advantage of also using a ladder. Keep missing. There you go. Is that you don't miss. See, this is not bad. So I can use this existing net. But this got to go right here. Oh, here comes my neighbor. Oh. Oh, that's just snapped in half. Man, this thing was old. This thing was brittle. Oh well, we're gonna have to fix that. All right. Um, I think I can fix that. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do is I'm just probably gonna so you can see y'all can see what I'm doing. Let's see if I can cut this right here. Oh, this is a lot of briars. This is a lot of stuff here. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'm just gonna cut all this stuff. Because look at this mess. Look at this. Look at this. I don't have time to untangle all of that. I don't have time for all that. We have a new fence. This is, just cutting this because there's like a bunch of twisted stuff in there. Nah, homie. I don't got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.